Thank you. We are committed to answering your COVID-19 questions here on 7 Eyewitness News. Right now, so many of you asking, when can I get my COVID-19 vaccine? We know the state is expanding who's eligible to sign up next week. And starting today, CVS locations will begin vaccinating those who are already eligible. CVS is expecting to begin opening registration for you to get your shot at one of 3 pharmacies that are offering the vaccine in Western New York. They actually just recently started offering them. But how do you sign up? What do you need to know about getting that vaccine through CVS? Taylor's going to join us live right now. She's at the CVS in Hamburg, where she is getting answers to all your questions.
Katie,
Hi, Taylor.
Morning. CVS representatives tell me they will be putting vaccines into arms starting tomorrow. And starting today, you'll be able to register to get the vaccine here at this CVS location in Hamburg. I went through the entire process for you online to show you how.
20,000 doses. That's how many vaccines CVS is getting from the federal government.
We'll be getting an allocation from the government every week. That's our initial allocation, so we expect that that'll expand it or increase at some point.
Ed Campbell, the regional director at CVS, says they're distributing those doses between 32 locations across New York State, including locally in Hamburg, Batavia, and Westfield.
As a company, we're really proud to step forward and play a prominent role in bringing our communities back to a healthy place, getting families back together.
This is separate from their effort to vaccinate those in long-term care facilities. These doses will help those who are 65 and older. So here's what you need to know. First, the vaccine is free. Second, this is appointment only. And to get one, start here on the CVS website.
That is the resource. Their local stores won't be able to help them make appointments. They need to go through the website.
Get comfortable. This will take a few minutes. Once you get to CVS.com, click Get COVID-19 Vaccine Info. That will take you here with a map showing where vaccines are available. Once you select New York, you'll see who's eligible and where they're booking appointments. Starting today, you'll see more locations added to this list, and under status, it will say available. Then you'll click Schedule Appointment Now, where you'll fill out a COVID questionnaire. Then you will confirm your eligibility. As long as you're 65 or older, you should go straight through to scheduling. Here you'll put in your zip code and select the location closest to you. Then you pick a time and schedule appointments for both doses. Now it's time for personal information: name, date of birth, address, and contact info. Then get your insurance card out and type in your information. If you're uninsured, you'll need to enter your social security number or driver's license. And now you're halfway done. Next, it asks some questions about allergies and other health matters. Then questions about your race and ethnicity. Now you have the opportunity to review a 6-page patient fact sheet with information about the vaccine. If that looks good, give them your consent, and then you're done.
And for those patients that are unable to use the website, they can call our customer care center at 1-800-SHOP-CVS.
You'll then get a text or email confirming your appointment, and on appointment day, bring your ID, medical insurance, prescription insurance, and of course, a mask.
Keep in mind, this is a limited offering, so there's going to be a lot of demand. Obviously, people are really excited about this. They just have to be patient.
Now, I just checked the CVS website, and it looks like right now their scheduler is down. So they say just keep checking their website throughout today to see when that comes back up, and I'll keep checking it for you and keep you updated.
After you mentioned that to us, Taylor, I pulled it up here, the scheduler being updated. That's what you get when you click to make an appointment. But Taylor, I think a lot of people are also probably wondering how CVS chose those locations: Batavia, Hamburg, and Westfield here in Western New York.
Well, Katie, I'm told that they chose these locations based on which area had people with the highest need. They also wanted to make sure the locations had enough space inside so they can fit all the patients in and social distance properly. And they say once they get more vaccines, they'll be able to add more locations.
All right, Taylor, thank you. A really great breakdown for those who are still trying to schedule that vaccine. Now, we are